This is your musical potential on Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. Today we're going to learn A major bar chord. Okay everybody, welcome to another week's video. So, A major bar chord. So what you do is you press your first finger on the 5th fret, all of it, okay? You put it close to the line, okay, here, and you press. Then you put your second finger on 6th fret, 3rd string. Then you put your third finger on 7th fret, 5th string, and then you put your pinky finger on 7th fret, 4th string. And that's your A major bar chord. Okay? Don't forget, always put your finger, your thumb, almost right across to your first finger in order to have a good grip. And you press. Always use your fingertips. Remember, in order to have a clear sound, because you don't want the fingers to touch adjacent strings. Okay? And also, remember, you see here, I have space on my thumb. My thumb is not like this on the side, it's like this, vertical to the fretboard. And in the middle of the fretboard, this gives me space here to have more flexibility so I can get that sound that I want. And that's your A major bar chord. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, a like, click the bell icon, and I'll see you guys next time.